Today we're gonna open up it.
We're gonna open. Oh goodness! I almost fell. We're gonna open up a new koala crate because it's a new month. This is for the month of February.
And then we can play that downstairs.
Yeah, we'll see what it is, and then we'll open it up and maybe play with it downstairs.
Maybe it's safe.
Oh yes, of course. Of course they taped it. Are you excited? What do you think it's going to be this month? Last month it was all about mail carriers. So this one is called Neighborhood Fun. It says explore a whimsical neighborhood map and strengthen your fine motor skills. Okay, can you open it up?
Yeah.
What's inside? What's inside? So we got a booklet for the grown-ups. Oh, hold on, what's this? So we have a water play mat. Let's open this up. Hold on, let's open it up. Whoa. Oh, and it's got the neighborhood all over it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very exciting. Let's put this down here. Okay, what else do we have in here? What's in here? Oh, we've got a face cloth, maybe?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, bless you. Let's see. What does it say? There should be something that tells me what's in here.
Do you know what that?
That's a koala. Can you show them the koala?
And what is that? What is that?
From this crate. Okay, yeah. So it's a washcloth. We have a water play mat. We have wooden toys. So we have a koala. And we have a parrot. We have a brush. We've got a tray. And all we'll need now is just to get water. And we've also got a book as well. Yeah. So, this book is called Keelan's Neighborhood Adventure. So, let's see. What can we do with all of this? So we pour the water in the tray and dip Keelan and Peter. So Keelan is obviously the koala and Peter the parrot is here. And it says to help Peter and Keelan explore the town and walk to their favorite stops on the map. Watch as the water leaves a trail.
Maybe Dad can play downstairs with me.
Do you want to try to do it?
No. Yeah.
Okay. Let me get some water. So Tara, you're going to dip either Peter and koala into the water like that. And then you can see on here that they have little trails. And then when you move it, no, that's okay. Look, it's leaving a trail of with the water.
Get away.
No, it's okay, sweetie. That's the whole point.
No, get away.
Tara, it's fine. Look, you can use this to wash it off. This is a water mat. This is what it's supposed to do that, sweetie. So we take out our Keelan, and maybe we'll go to walk her to the school. So we're at school now. Look at us at school. Da 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 da. I'm learning. Let's get Peter all wet. And where's Peter gonna go? Maybe Peter's gonna walk all the way over here
No, he's gonna
to
go
the
home.
playground. Maybe if it's focused and you could read that it says playground. But it's okay because it's supposed to get wet like that. So the brush we're not gonna use right now. And you can just dip in Keelan and Peter and you can go for a walk.
I'm going to do it.
Okay, can you do that?
Yeah.
So dip it into the water, okay, and then go for a walk with Keelan. Where are you gonna go? Oh, that's in a pond. You're in a pond right now. What else do we have here? We've got
Peter.
the hospital, post office, a fire station. We've got little houses.
He went home.
Oh, there's an apple tree. The school is right here.
Let's get
Oh,
water.
there's the grocery store and the library. Where are we going to go?
He's
You're going to the grocery store?
He's going to get a cart.
Oh, he's going to get some fruits and vegetables. Oh, no, he's going to the library now. That's really cool. What do you think, Tara? Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's super fun.
Bye, guys.
See you next time.
Bye.